Come here.
She draws him close. From the darkness, I hear the beating of mighty wings.
I thought he was sweet, didn't you?
Sweet? I do not know. Perhaps. My sister, when I was captured, it was not me they wanted. It was you.
Yeah, I know. Come on, I don't want to miss the next one.
But if they had captured you, the consequences...
Shh, I want to hear this.
Hockey mask and Arkham Asylum fatigues! Seriously, don't you ever wonder about Batman? Huh? How he got started? I can see him over breakfast saying to his wife, "Morning, hon. Listen, I got something to tell you. I quit the job at the ad agency."
The people seated at the tables do not seem amused.
It's the afternoon. Nobody wants comedy. They want to drink in peace, make assignations, do their deals. Esme has to fight for every laugh she gets. Beats waiting tables.
Talk this over with your analyst. And what about Robin?
They like her. She's enjoying the approval. The sweet laughter washing over her.
Kill someone.
Her hands are sweating.
And the microphone isn't grounded.
More where that came from.
Now she's going places. She's a scream.
Is there a doctor in the house?
I'm a nurse, but you need to shut off the power.
It's off, lady. She tripped the stage breaker.
Let's take a look at her. Those assholes. I don't believe it. That frickin' mic was live. Those cheap no good. Who are you? Oh. It's you. So I just realized that's every comedian's nightmare, huh? Dying on stage? Oh, God.
I thought you were really funny.
No, but I would have been. Why couldn't I just had a few more lousy years? I would have made it to the top. Why?
I'm sorry, Esme. Your time was up. Come here, honey.
I hear the sound of her wings.